Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is near and dear to my heart. If you ever had one of those items in your life that every time you go by it or use it or near it, you just get happy about it. This case, oddly enough, is one of those. I love everything about it. Love the color, the feel of it, the quality of it, the utility of it. And every time I move it or see it, it makes me feel great. Thought I would do a video because it is pertinent to my astrophotography, because this is the case that I transport my image train for my FLT 132, which this image train also includes a off-axis guider, which you can see I got my hand on the guider there on the left side. This image train is several $1,000s. I got chroma filters inside that, so I want to make sure this thing is well protected on travel. So I thought I would walk through how I set up the pluckable foam and the depth I put it. This is an 18-inch case. It's number 997. A lot of positives about this thing beyond the astrophotography itself, which we'll do a walkthrough on a live video here I'll cut over to, and then I'll come back for some final comments. So I specifically use this case for my Williams Optics 132 millimeter refractor, and it has an off-axis guider on it. So this is an 18-inch deep case. I'll show you how I set it up. Just leave the wires in the top. And I plucked the foam to match this. See my image train sealed off. So when I travel, I can just cap that, drop it in here, drop the wires that go to the guide camera and the filter wheel. And when you're setting this up, there are many layers of foam. There are middle ones, except for the top and bottom are pluckable. So there's a level below, very bottom level. It just kind of sits in there. It's not pluckable. Then there's the first level of pluckable foam. If you got a similar image train, I would leave that one unplucked. Start with the bottom one. And before it's plucked, you could just take your image train, press it down in to make an indentation, and then pluck out the minimal amount just to start with. So you just like do a single row, and then you'll test it as you pluck the next area. Same thing. This one I knew would be the entire perimeter, so I went ahead and plucked that one to fit. This one I pushed down on it to get an imprint, flipped it over, plucked these, area that was imprinted, got it till I knew it was flush fitting like that. Then the last one, you don't pluck at all. It's okay that it bulges a little bit. There's a lot of play in this foam on the top, and then I always like to just drop my wires that go to that into the case, close it up. Other things I like about this case, you can make mounts for it to hook onto a truck where it clips in to the outer rack. Handle on this, super comfortable, fits your hand perfectly. It's got a little grip surface, an air pressure valve on there. I do like the little touches like finger indents for when you're carrying it, makes it comfortable to carry it. It's definitely quality all the way around. There's locking holes on the front if you want to lock this in. If you happen to mess up your foam, you can also order replacement foam. And another cool thing about this case, comes in many colors, so you could do colors for different equipment, so you know just from color what is in it without even opening it. They do have a option if you ever don't want to use this for the equipment anymore. If you're a gun owner, great thing about this particular case is they have a custom foam set for it that will take 7 pistols and I think 14 magazines. Plus, I think you can fit a few other things in there. So this is a great gun case as well. Everything made in the United States. If you're a USA buyer, like to buy US only, or as much as possible, this is great for that. And then the cost. Everybody's, always talking about our other more expensive cases. This case, for the cost, it's like half or less of the cost of other cases. The quality is right there, in my opinion. I personally would not put more money into a different case. Love this. These indents, they stack. Cases stack right on top of each other. You see the indents here. Very easy to, comfortable to carry. Little side tip, they also send you a sticker, a nice big sticker. It's probably twice the size of this sticker. I put it on my laptop. I like putting stickers on my laptop, and so it's really, really nice. So this is the 18-inch case. I couldn't find other cases of this size and other competitors that matched exactly what I was looking for this particular image train. And I'd say for the money, I don't know if you can beat it. Final comments here on the website from Condition 1. Things to note: they have, I think, a 10% discount for your first case. They offer 15% off for military and first responders. You can see the colors of the cases I was talking about, in terms of being able to have things in different colors, so you know which image train, if you got multiple image trains, different equipment. They do have all different types of cases. Here's the pistol setup. I think you can probably order this foam separately. You definitely can order replacement foam. I'm not a gun owner, but I just throw that out there. Lifetime warranty. These things are waterproof, anti-crushable. They park cars on them in their videos. I don't recommend that, nor do I plan on doing that. But I think this is one of those things that it's very difficult to determine, in my opinion, what it is you need. You really want to see it firsthand, and I ordered this after a lot of research, hoping it was going to work out, and it definitely did. It makes me happy every time I see this case. So that's it for this video. I know I've been away from the videos for quite a while, ever since Thanksgiving, hoping to get back into it more, but that'll wrap it for this time. Thanks everybody for watching. Till next time, take care.